Now we will discuss about percentage by discussing two very easy example. The first example is calculate 35% of 180. You are finding the value of a given data with some given percentage. How to deal with it? 35% means 35 divided by 100. Of means multiplication 180. We can divide both 10 and 35 by 5, 7 by 2. We can divide 18 by 2, we get a 9. So finally 7 into 9, that means 63. Therefore 35% of 180 is 63. Next, another example where you are expressing one quantity as the percentage of another quantity. Example is given here that express 700 gram as a percentage of 1.75 kg. So how to do it? 700 gram, we need to express it as a percentage of 1.75 kg. So in numerator we will write this, and in denominator we will write this, and we will multiply the fraction by 100%. We will convert this kg into grams. 1750 gram. You know that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. That means 1.75 kg is 1.75 multiplied by 1000 grams. That means 1750 grams multiplied by 100%. Both units are same. We can divide both by 5. Now we can divide both by 7. This 100 can be divided by this 5. So finally the answer is 2 multiplied by 20, 40%. This is our answer.